top of the morning again, 7075. Alright, we've done quite a bit so far to this, and it's looking good, I'm liking it. It's going to play really well. Realizing why the Alt-C spring will not stay tensioned, because this was a problem that we noticed right in the pre-service assessment, and it was a very simple solution. I thought it's just retension the spring and put it on, but it wouldn't retension and stay retention, and the reason why is because the post is not soldered. So we've got to get all this keywork off here, and we've got to take this off, take all the keywork off here up top, and then we've got to tie down the post. Well, first of all, we've got to put some shellac in there and then tie down the post with some wire, and then we've got to re-solder it, making sure that these foot posts don't unsolder as well. So a little tricky act we're going to do here, because what is ever close to what's being soldered can come unsoldered. So that's the problem we have with this guy. We don't want this guy to come unsoldered, but we do want this guy to re-solder back on. So that's an extra hour's of work that we're going to unfortunately have to add on to this service, and we'll see how we go.